Now for the modular trailer, we also offer these amazing bunks, usually seen with some sort of personal watercraft towing, kayaks, smaller jet skis maybe. But basically what you're gonna get with each bunk is you're gonna get 2 mounting brackets per bunk. So this is 1, so you get 2 per bunk. The bunks are gonna also have these heavy duty bolts in there. And then you're also gonna get 2 of these per bracket. All right, we're gonna show you guys how we get the brackets on and then get the bunks on. First, we start with the brackets. So the brackets, 2 holes, 2 holes. All right, so now we have the bunks. These are the last part. Once we've got our brackets on there nice and tight. Now for your bunks, you're gonna wanna choose, depending on the actual item you're putting on there. Usually with the kayaks, we recommend going with the lower, smaller 2. You have the ability to go across any of these to choose how wide or how narrow you want your bunk setup to be. Very, very simple. Bolt, nut, tighten it up, get it going. As you can see, we now have the bunks on top of our modular trailer. It is now kayak trailer ready, or whatever other items you want to put on top of these bunks. Ready to go. You can angle them in, angle them out, widen, narrow, but whew, they're ready to go. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the tongue into the trailer, and that'll be it. So your tongue's got 3 pins. 1, 2, 3. First, you need to take the little pin out. Don't worry, no grenades will go off. Take the pin out. Bow, bow. Okay. Put these up here for right now. Now, 1 person, 2 person job. Now, if you're doing the kayak trailer and you got the longer kayaks, you're gonna wanna use the first 2 pinholes. If you're gonna do a modular or you don't need that much tongue length, you can go all the way up to these pinholes. And it's gonna take a nice little alignment. So I'm gonna go all the way in so you guys can see. Go. Pin in. Pin in. There we go, voila. And lastly, you have your wiring. So you're gonna get a wiring harness that'll work as an extension wiring harness. What you're gonna see here is that this piece connects to your left and your right tail lights, green and yellow, okay? Green's usually your right, yellow's usually your left. Now what we're gonna do is your wiring harness is gonna have the matching colors. We purposely expose the colors so it's easy to see. Take the male part, put it into the female part. Take the yellow part, put it into the female part. Get that in there nice and flush. Okay, now you're gonna have this wiring harness. You've got all this length, you don't want this dragging on the ground. Okay, so a couple things you can do. Obviously, you can just wrap the heck out of your trailer here. And you want there to be enough room for this to get off your ball joint and actually connect into the back of your vehicle. So this shouldn't be like this, it shouldn't be back here. Give yourself enough room. The other thing I like to do, thread it right through the pin handle, just to make sure it stays up above. And we also, I just have one of these lying around, but any sort of strap, you can grab these and just do one of those. You don't have to, not necessarily, but just keeps everything clean. Plug this in, drop it onto your ball, get out there and have some fun.